Hey foodies, thanks for watching. I'm going to show you how to make coconut macaroons. These are chewy coconut macaroons and I'm really excited to show you how to make them. So we're going to start by taking our egg whites and we're going to whip this up until we get stiff peaks. And if you want to use a hand mixer, by all means you can use a hand mixer. You can also whisk it by hand. But I'm going to use my stand mixer because it makes my life a lot easier. Let's take a look and see how we're doing so far. It's been about 3 minutes, 2 minutes. Oh yeah, we've got stiff peaks. That's definitely a stiff peak. Okay, so we're going to pull that off the mixer and remove that. Okay, so I'm going to mix in all of the other ingredients. I'm going to mix in my salt and my vanilla and my honey. Oh my goodness, that's thick. There we go. Come on, a little bit more. There we go. And my coconut. And I want to fold this in so it's around and through. And around and through. And the trick is to try and keep as much air as possible in the egg whites as possible. There we go. And it's coming along quite nicely. You're going to have it collapse quite a bit, and that's okay. But you still want to maintain as much air as possible in the egg white. Just scrape that off and give that a little stir. I've got a parchment paper lined baking sheet and I've got 2 tablespoons and I'm going to drop these by the tablespoon right onto my cookie sheet. And I want to make sure I leave lots of room. You can see there's quite a bit of room in between each cookie. That gives them a chance to spread out a little bit. There we go. So this is going to go into a preheated oven of 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes. See you in a moment. These look really good. They took about 10 minutes in my oven. They've cooled. I didn't even move them at all. I just pulled them out, set them here, and they've been here for about 20 minutes. They've cooled down. I want to give one a try. Oh, look at that. Nice and, oh, it's beautiful. Look at the bottom of that. Nice and golden brown. It's got a nice brown top. It's been golden on the outside. It's important to keep an eye on things that you bake just by turning the light on and looking through the little window. Because recipes give, in my opinion, suggestions of how long things take. And if it says 12 to 14, maybe it'll take 8. Maybe it'll take 16. It's important to always keep an eye on your stuff in the oven. But I want to give this a try and see what it's like. This. It's not overly sweet. It is chewy. It reminds me of my childhood. It's so good. Oh. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again soon.